Okay, the last sort of major page, if you like, is the Contact Us page. Obviously, you need to be able to be contacted. And there are many, many ways to set this up. You may be a bigger company and therefore you've got all kinds of telephone numbers and all kinds of email addresses. Or you may be a very, very small company just starting out, in which case you've probably just got one email address and probably no phone number whatsoever. And in fact, I generally advise people when you're starting out, just keep it really simple. So I'm going to show you that here. So we go to Add Page here. And this is going to be called the Contact Us page, obviously. And in this content here, I'm just going to type a very quick phrase that says something like, please use the form below to contact us. Okay? Because in fact, this one can be a little bit different, because what we're going to do here is we're going to change this template here from the page to page.contact. That's going to do a little bit of magic for us. It's actually going to embed a form straight into our Contact Us page where people can contact us, which is absolutely fantastic. So if I click Save on this now, and then view the page, here we go. Straight away, we've got it. Contact us. Please use the form below to contact us. The name, the email, the phone number, and the message, and send. And that's going to be sent straight to your email address, which is fantastic. Now, this is just one example of how you might want to set up a Contact Us page. Often I'll say to people, maybe don't do it this way and just put your email address or perhaps a sales at and a billing at and inquiries at type email addresses, so you can divide up logically how you want people to get in contact with you. But yeah, you need some form of Contact Us. Now, if you were going to just do it as basic text, you wouldn't choose, let me just go back to the Contact Us form, you wouldn't be choosing this template suffix as page.contact. You'd be choosing page, and then you just write whatever you want in here. All right. So very, very simple to set up that Contact Us page.